So there's a recipe going around, and it's called the Bikini Bot Pizza Pocket, right? And the original video, it looked good, but also everyone who reviewed that video also gave the recipe a 10 out of 10. So I'm about to try it out. It's supposed to be under 400 calories and 71 grams of protein. So everyone who cares about their macros and everything when they eat, I personally don't, but my man do. So everyone who cares about those things, this recipe might be for you, and I'm gonna post the original creator video right after this. Well, right now. Stay tuned. I almost forgot to add the pepperoni, so I am gonna add. No, we're not gonna do it. I am gonna add a few slices of this pepperoni, and I don't think it's gonna add that much to the calories because for 1 ounce, 4 servings, 110 calories. Somebody's at the door. I have my toppings on there, and now it's time to flip the chicken over and sort of kind of make the pocket. Now I accidentally put the mozzarella before the tomato sauce, but just ignore that one. This one is correct. Okay, so I seasoned it with salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and some red pepper flakes. Now we add the passata and the mozzarella. Y'all know I tried to make a perfect circle, right? But anyway, now I'm about to season up the ground chicken. I have my ground chicken, I have my mozzarella, and I do like the one that isn't already shredded because the ones that shredded in the store, they have an anti-caking agent so it won't stick. We don't need any extra ingredients. My basil, my Parmigiano, and my choice of, I have some spicy salami, and then I also have some uncured pepperoni. My passata and organic avocado oil spray. Okay, I seasoned the top. Now I'm gonna add 25 grams of the Parmigiano. And they said really pack it on, so. All right, pack it on. All right, let me spread this out a little bit. Oven is at 400 degrees. Into the oven we go for 20 minutes. Sleep well, guys. Okay, now we spray them with some avocado oil. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so after the 20 minutes, they said broil it for 5 to 10 minutes. And so far, it is looking delicious. Y'all see that? Y'all see our little pizza pocket? Ew. So now what I would like you to do is just gently press the edges with the fork so we can get a nice seal. It's better if you kind of do like this, you know, sort of like a, what do you call that?
Jamaican
beef patty. All right, I think we good. Now, I don't think she seasoned the top, only in the inside, but I'm gonna season the top and I'm gonna put the Parmigiano on the top. So, then we pop it in the oven and let's see our masterpiece.
I can't wait.
Neither can I. Okay, so I'll add the pepperoni and then we'll have a special guest. You want me to like tear these up or you just want the whole one on there?
The whole one.
The whole one. We're gonna
welcome back to Jazzma Kendrick in the kitchen.
Bam.
Bam.
All right, now what I want our special guest to do, everyone give it up for Rose. What I need you to do is flip this over and have this end meet this end. But try not to press on the middle because I'm gonna press the edges so I can seal it.
Do I touch it?
No,
touch the meat or just the paper?
Just the paper.
Okay. As far as it go.
Try to have this end meet that end. We good? Booyah! And then slowly, I think we good. Slowly peel back the parchment paper. Here we go. And voila. All right, are you ready for the taste test?
I'm ready.
Should I cut yours first?
Yeah.
Let's cut it down the middle. Hopefully, is this the one with both the salami and or just the pepperoni? Oh, I think that one is mine. I just see pepperoni. This one might be yours with both the pepperoni and the salami. Yeah, that's yours. All right, let's give it a go. The taste test, the moment of truth. That's what it looks like. Not bad. You know what it is for me? I think it's the pepperoni. I think I would like the chicken crust just with like the chicken being a protein and not so much. Like I think I would like it better without the pepperoni. That's just me. That's me though.
I'm moving for the pepperoni.
Almost.
My first half gone.
Almost. 2 more bites. I could actually finish that off in one, but it's still hot. But if I made this again for me, I wouldn't put the pepperoni. You can try it with turkey, ground turkey crumbles too.
Pepperoni.
In the inside. I know, but we always like to go for more lean meat though.
I ain't mad at that, but this delicious. And this is lean as it get, heavy protein.
I don't know. I don't think that salami or that pepperoni is as lean as it gets. Go ahead, try it. Take your first bite.
It smells wonderful.
It does smell good. It tastes good too. I'm not even gonna hold you. I just want to taste some of the cheese, but I think it all melted to one side. Okay.
Bomb.
What do you give it? What do we give the regular piece of? I'm gonna give it. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It's hot.
What do you give it? It's very hot. It's steaming, as you can see.
I think I need to let it cool off so I can really taste the flavors. Because right now, it's just a little too hot for me.
It's going to cool down as it goes.
Mm.
But when it's bomb and you're going to eat all of it, what do you get at?
You know, as I continue to bite and grab some of the cheese that actually melted down when I pick it up, it's starting to taste like a 10 out of 10. It just gets more better with every bite. Ooh, you see the cheese? Go and slurp it up. Like a man to know how to slurp up some cheese, man. Sorry.
How do you say pause?
God, no.
This is a 10.
Don't mean you're bigger.
It's a 10 without a doubt. I can't believe the crust is really meat.
I know. Chicken! It's all chicken! It's wild. That is wild. Yeah. Woo! I missed it. Yeah, we were supposed to go on a 4-mile walk today. We were supposed to go on a 4-mile walk today. And look at him talk about let's get up at 10 and do our walk. Look at him. Look, snug as a bug. Can y'all believe I ate all of my food and somebody didn't? He got tomato sauce.
That's because I'm balling.
It was filling. I ain't even gonna lie.
God.
I forced myself to eat those last few bites. I felt like my stomach was gonna burst.
No, most definitely the food is fulfilling. I still can't believe that this is not like garlic bread or dough. It's
It's
unbelievable.
chicken.
It's chicken. It's delicious. She made it amazing. It tastes like we got it at some fucking.
You know what it tastes like, baby?
We got it from what?
These nuts. And these Midtown screens.